Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change candlesticks colors on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader chart, okay, and choose your instrument. For me, I will use the Nasdaq for this example. And as you can see here, we have green and red, okay. So let's change them. Just click on the right click. Then go to data series, this one, click on it. And as you can see here, we have color for down bars, these ones. We have orange, red. So let's change them to, let's say, for example, black. Okay, click on apply. And as you can see, the color has been changed. And let's change these ones again. And let's choose, for example, yellow. Then click on apply, and as you can see, the colors has been changed. After that, just click on OK, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.